So DJI Spark, this is the box is come. So DJI Spark, this is the box that it comes. I bought an extra battery on the side, so that's it. So the way you put it, you put the SD card goes on the other side, you see is upside down, so you put it like that at the back, then you can charge it here. The way you take off the battery, you just press both sides, it comes out, you got the information there. So the battery, the reason why my battery always down in power is because when you fully charge them after 72 hours, they just discharge themselves. So that's why I don't really charge them full. I usually charge them the night before or the day before, and I just use it. It takes about an hour to charge, so it's not bad. My drone is very dirty still from the crash the other day. So
yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver juice. I need the views to boost.
A proper big crash, so I have to change 2 of them. So you get them actually, you get extra of paper there, whatever the name. This is what I bought on Lazada. It's pretty good, but if I go out, I usually do this. I put this in my backpack because this one is a bit too big, but it's quite nice to have this. I just put my cable in there, and in here you have all the paper. See, you have extra, and all my paperwork is there. See, this is when I crash, so I need to buy a new one, but still I can still use the drone. Is not a problem for now. It wasn't such a big crash, but you know, when you think about action cam, for example, you think about GoPro. When you think about drone, you think about DJI. So this is why I buy this one. The price, this is why, the main reason why I bought it, because it was the cheapest one, and I think for the price and the quality you get is very good value for money. So yeah, this is what I use.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So I received this from Lazada today. how do you call this? So you place this one into the car like that, and then you screw it. So the advert, in the advert they say that this one will make your car sound like a turbo car, like very very sport noise. So I saw this on Facebook and it was 1000 pesos or 1.5. So I told myself I'm gonna check on Lazada, then I find this for 200 pesos. So I told myself let's get one and try it. We'll see if it works or not. First I'm gonna make you listen the car so you can see the difference or not. It's now in place. Let's see how it goes. So I don't hear any difference on my side. No, not much. Anyway, I tried. So I wouldn't recommend this. This is not nice. It doesn't work. Cheap 200 pesos, you know. It's okay, I tried. This also is plastic, and after a few minutes on the inside this is very hot, so this will melt at some point. So really not good. Don't buy it.